Welcome again. So now we are going to talk about the delete. Okay. We have talked about insert at different position. Now we are going to talk about delete at different positions. Okay. Different use cases. So there are two use cases. Either someone asks me to delete the first node, or someone can ask me delete the given nth node, right? Okay. So let's first understand what does it mean to delete a node from a given linked list. Okay. So this is the one linked list which is having 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, correct? So let's take the first case. I have to delete this. Okay, fine. This is my head pointer. Head pointer always tell the start point. And someone is saying to delete the start point itself, right? So in this case, whenever you are asked to delete the first node or even position, but position is giving you and position variable is having value equal to 1. Both are same. Either I'm starting from the start first node or deleting the node from the position 1. Both are same meaning, right? In both cases, I'm going to delete this 10. So what we have to do, especially in Java, you have to make it disconnected in the whole linked list. If you make somehow any node disconnected, it will be garbage collected later and it will be deleted. So let me take this part only. This is 10, 20, and this is my head. So whenever I'm going to start, if I read the current, the current is going to print what 10 if current is equal to head, right? I have to change this. I have to leave these. I have to start my head from here. How to do that? So simply head equal to head dot next. What does this mean? It means that now head is going to point 20 instead of 10 because in head I am changing the pointer to the head dot next, right? So head was earlier here and pointing to this. Now its next is 20 and now my head is pointing to that. Simple. So what happened now? 10 is disconnected, only 20 is there and 20 is pointing to the head, and this will be garbage collected then, right? So this is the case when someone is asking to delete the first node. Now suppose someone is saying let's delete 30. Let me write this now. Okay, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I will delete this 30 now. What should I do? Same concept I have to use, but little bit with care. We have to reach this 30 because here is head. Head is pointed to start point. So I have to traverse this complete linked list just before the target to be deleted node. So I'll reach first 20, right? Once I reach here, what I have to do, I have to bypass this now. Somehow, if I am able to make 20 next to 40 instead of 30, my work will be done, right? Okay, so this is my current position, right? So if I set current dot next, which is equal to right now 30, if I set this somehow current dot next, what do you say about this? So current next was 30 earlier. Now it will move like that: 20, 30, 40. So current dot next, the next, now it will point to the current dot next means this pointer I am moving from here to here now. Okay, so what happened now? So I have changed this current dot next. So now this current dot next will be removed, right? Hope this makes sense. Now this will be, it had no attachment with the current list, because not 20 is that point to 30, that is left out, and 40 will have in the next. Fine. Since this particular node is not in the our attachment, or not in the our flow, so this will be garbage collected. So this is as simple as it. And there may be one more edge cases. Suppose the element that I'm asking to delete, that is the last one. So what to do in this? You are reaching here 40. Okay. So in this case, you have to check if your current is here. So current dot next. What I'm saying, first you have to find the current dot next. So when we are here, current dot next is pointing to 50 now. Correct? So you have to check if your current is equal to null or current dot next equal to null. If any of this condition is true, it means you are going to delete an invalid position, right? If someone is saying, suppose delete 60, but 60 is not here, right? Or delete index like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there, delete the 6th one. This is not possible. It's invalid position. Okay, so this is the case. And in the case of this, last element, if you want to remove, so what you have to do, simply when you're reaching here, okay, so simply we have to make the next. So suppose my current here, so simply I have to go current dot next equal to current dot next dot current dot next dot next. What is the next of this? Null. So now this is pointed to null, so this will be removed automatically, right? Okay, so that's all. Just try to write the program for this by yourself as well, because we have done a lot of programming in that, but I'm going to write the code in the next video. Okay, see you there.